Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing my experience with the Real Estate Investment Analysis course on Udemy. If you're interested in real estate investing or looking to expand your knowledge in this field, then stay tuned as I take you through the course objectives, content, target audience, and my overall impressions. The course aims to equip students with the skills and knowledge to analyze and evaluate real estate investment opportunities. By the end of the course, you'll be able to confidently assess the financial viability of real estate projects and make informed investment decisions. The course is divided into several modules, each focusing on a different aspect of real estate investment analysis. Here's a brief overview of the key topics covered. 1. Real estate market fundamentals. This module provides an introduction to the real estate market and covers important concepts such as market analysis, property valuation, and market trends. 2. Financial analysis. In this module, you'll learn about financial ratios, cash flow analysis, and how to create financial models for real estate projects. You'll also gain insights into risk assessment and due diligence processes. 3. Investment strategies. The course delves into various investment strategies, including buy and hold, flipping, and rental property investing. You'll learn about the advantages and disadvantages of each strategy and how to choose the right one based on your goals. 4. Deal analysis. This module focuses on analyzing real estate deals, including evaluating property listings, conducting due diligence, and negotiating terms. You'll also learn about financing options and how to structure deals to maximize returns. 5. Case studies and real-world examples. Throughout the course, you'll have the opportunity to apply the concepts you've learned through case studies and real-world examples. This will help you develop practical skills in analyzing and evaluating real estate investment opportunities. The course is suitable for anyone interested in real estate investing, whether you're a beginner or someone with prior experience in the field. It's an excellent choice for real estate professionals, including agents, brokers, and investors, looking to enhance their analytical skills and make more informed investment decisions. While the course itself is comprehensive, it's recommended to complement your learning with additional resources. The course instructor provides a list of recommended readings, including books and industry publications, which can further deepen your understanding of real estate investment analysis. I thoroughly enjoyed taking this course. The instructor's teaching style is engaging, and the course content is comprehensive and practical. The real-world examples and case studies were particularly helpful in applying the concepts and seeing them in action. If you're serious about real estate investing and want to gain a solid foundation in investment analysis, I highly recommend this course. It will equip you with the skills and confidence to evaluate investment opportunities and make informed decisions. To summarize, the Real Estate Investment Analysis course on Udemy is a valuable resource for anyone looking to gain expertise in evaluating real estate investment opportunities. With its comprehensive content, practical examples, and applicability to real-world scenarios, it's a great